Hey everyone, today we're making a delicious sweet and sour chicken that's sweet, tangy, and oh so satisfying. This dish is quick, easy, and perfect for any night of the week. Here's what we'll need. First, we're going to cut our chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces and coat them with some cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Now, heat a little bit of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken in batches and cook it until it's golden and crispy on both sides. Next, we're going to sauté our veggies in the same pan. Add the onion and bell peppers and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. We want them to stay crisp and vibrant. Now let's make the sweet and sour sauce. In a bowl, combine apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, ketchup, and brown sugar. Whisk it all together until the sugar dissolves. Pour the sauce into the pan with the veggies. Stir everything together and let it simmer for a few minutes so the sauce can thicken. Now, add the pineapple chunks for a burst of sweetness that really elevates the flavor. Finally, add the crispy chicken back into the pan. Stir everything together and cook for an extra 2 to 3 minutes so the chicken gets coated in that delicious sauce. Once everything's cooked through, it's time to serve. Plate your sweet and sour chicken over a bed of fluffy rice. And there you have it. Quick, easy, and full of flavor. This sweet and sour chicken will definitely become a weeknight favorite. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.